guys, we just got all of our prototypes in. I want to do a preliminary drop test just from the 9-10 feet that I do have available. We got all of them. They are so gorgeous. Like, I am stunned by how well they all fit, from the iPhone 7 all the way up to the newest devices. It looks so good. I cannot wait to ship one of these to you. Okay, so with the iPhone 11, just do a few drops. So we designed this thing to be as durable as possible despite the exposed sides, so don't let that fool you at all. First Rebel case drop test, unofficial, 3, 2, 1. Boom, face down. And we're good. You know why? Because we have these ridges. They extend 2.5 millimeters from the screen, less if you use a screen protector. Let's do that again. That was amazing. And it's literally exactly what we planned for. 3, 2, 1. No worries. Again. Still fine. And no scratch on this, by the way. Again. Straight on its back. It's fine, because on the back we also have those ridges. Actually, the plastic never even made contact with the ground. It was hitting these ridges the whole time. Okay, let's keep going. 3, 2, 1. The way your phone actually falls is on the corners, on the back, on the front. Very rarely will it ever even touch the sides, but you sacrifice so much comfort for them. Again. 3, 2, 1. That's on its face again. And we're still good. That's honestly amazing. Let's keep going. Again. And we're still fine. Okay, so this is our baby. We spent a year developing it. I could not be happier today. We'll have the official drop test up later this week or early next week, and it'll be in your hands soon. Peace.